Okay, students, so now we're going to start to integrate some algebra in it, because why not? Algebra is a load of fun. All right. And when we connect it to geometry, it just makes it for a great time. All right, so we're going to find the value of x that makes the two lines parallel. All right, so usually we'd say these two lines are parallel, find the value of x. Now we're going to say what value of x would make these lines parallel. So again, just the way the question's even written is its converse. And that's what we're applying, all right? So we have a pair of alternate exterior angles. So what do we need? We need congruency. So we need them to equal each other. So we need 3x plus 5 to equal 5x minus 17. We can set that up. That's the hard part. So we're going to get 5 equals 2x minus 17. 22 equals 2x, divide by 2, and 11 equals x. And just to emphasize some things, it just said find the value of x, but if I did plug it in, I get 3 times 11 plus 5, which spits out 38. This would spit out 5 times 11 minus 17, so another 38 degrees. So it's saying when x is 11, both these angles are 38 degrees. They're alternate exterior angles, so since they're the same, they're congruent. The lines are parallel. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, so we're going to do the same thing, just ramp it up a little bit. Some more algebra. All right, we're going to find the value of x that makes P parallel to Q. So in number A, x's, their corresponding angles. So we need them to be congruent. So for number A, I'm going to set up 2x plus 2 equals x plus 56. Subtract both sides by x. Subtract both sides by 2. And x equals 54. All right, and again, let's just emphasize things. And this is actually going to help us out in number C. So let's just knock it out right now. Let's plug it in for both things. Let's just double check our work. I'm going to get 2 times 54 plus 2, which is going to be 110. And if I do 54 plus 56, I'm going to get 110. All right, so that's pretty cool. All right, we got corresponding angles. They're congruent. So now these lines are parallel. Hooray! All right, in number B, it's telling us what's the value of y that would make R parallel to S. Okay, so there's actually no defined relationship with these two angles. However, you could say, well, this angle and this angle need to be the same, this angle and this angle need to be the same. All right, so we could technically have consecutive exterior angles and they need to be supplementary. Hopefully you can see that. So we need supplementariness. So number B, I'm going to set up y plus 7 plus 3y minus 17 equals 180 degrees. All right, then I'm going to get 4y minus 10 equals 180. 4y equals 190, okay? And once I get here, I'm gonna have to divide both sides by 4. I want to make sure I get this correct. All right. I'm gonna get y equals 47.5. Okay. Let's think about things from here. All right. So let's plug this back in. All right. So if I plug in 47.5 right here, that's going to be plus 7. All right. I'm going to get 54.5. And let's plug it in over here as well. I'm going to get 3 times 47.5 minus 17. And I get 125.5. Okay. So yes, this is good. We got these supplementary. So we've answered number B, but number C is where another level of thinking come in. Can R be parallel to S, and can P be parallel to Q at the same time? And there's several ways we can go about this. The answer is no. Oops, I'm in highlighter mode. The answer is no, because several reasons. All right, let's just talk about this. That right here, 110 plus 54.5 doesn't equal 180, and that was a linear pair. Or you could say this angle and this angle, alternate exterior angles, aren't congruent. 110 does not equal 125.5. So these lines both can't be parallel at the same time. All right. If X is 54, great, makes P and Q parallel. If Y is 47.5, makes R and S parallel, but that can't be both true at the same exact time. Okay, let's do just one more problem for this video. All right. What value of X would make A parallel to B? So we have a pair of alternate interior angles. We need them congruent. So all I'm going to do is 3x plus 16 equals 5x minus 54. Subtract 3x from both sides. I'm going to get 16 equals 2x minus 54. Didn't pick a very good spot to write this, so let me rewrite it right here. Add 54 to both sides. You get 70 equals 2x, where x equals everyone's favorite number, 35. All right, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for more.